आज मैं मेरे फार्म में आया हूँ, तो देखते हैं आज मेरा फार्म। और ये टोबैको फार्म, तो आप मेरे पीछे देख सकते हैं। तो आप वहाँ पे बर्ड्स भी देख सकते हैं। तो आप देख सकते हो ये टोबैको है। ये देखो वहाँ तक पूरा टोबैको ही है, तो वहाँ पे वो ग्रो हो रहा है। So can you see that big greenary tree? These are small grasses. Find which insect this is. Can you find which insect it is? Hello guys, so this is my own farm and these are so many banana plants. So you can see. Take a close look. It will be taller than me. And scene is like just movie and very beautiful. There are like more than 100 banana plants, and there are another banana plants. After 1 month, I will show you the banana fruits and more plants. Big banana plants! I am so happy to visit this place. And stay tuned on my channel. Hey, what is this? See, these are my banana plants. And they have bananas also. Okay. So you can see how much tall it is. So I'm going to show you something exciting. So these are the climbers, and they have very thin stem. They need support to grow. They easily broke. See, they are taking support also. At my back side, these are the very tiny chili plants. So you can see. Stay tuned on my channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.